Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, you find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, it's a very sad situation to see Pop Smoke drop flesh at the age of 20 viewers and subscribers, and the entire music community worldwide I send them condolences. Now, what was not known by many fans of Pop Smoke and also fans of dancehall viewers and subscribers, that the artist is a big fan of dancehall music and of Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers. Of course, while the artist was on tour for the Meet the Woo album, viewers and subscribers, the artist was out vibing to the teacher. I'm going to see what I go on and then continue the reasoning. Look and listen. Yes, viewers and subscribers, as I pointed out, a huge fan of dancehall music. Friends, loved ones, say, as long as there was a dancehall event being held in the New York area, Pop Smoke would be in attendance, viewers and subscribers. There was even a track in the works with Jada Kingdom. Definitely somebody who loved the Jamaican and Caribbean culture. And his mother, viewers and subscribers, is a Jamaican. And his father is from Panama, so you know the Caribbean influence strong. And when you listen to Pop Smoke songs, viewers and subscribers, he was definitely going to be a big hip-hop sensation. Songs like Welcome to the Party, Dior, Macklemary, you know what I mean? Songs like Flexing. He have a big track, a big feature on the Jack Boys album, viewers and subscribers, that Travis Scott them a track called Gotti, and we in the Bugatti flexing. Like, I'm not telling a lie, viewers and subscribers, definitely an artist way. You know what I mean? I look forward to see doing big things. And the fact he was a fan of Vybz Kartel and his music, viewers and subscribers, when we see the creativity and then realize he's of Caribbean descent, as we say, definitely a sad moment. We see artists from the likes of Vybz Kartel, the dancehall king, Popcorn, Cranium based in New York too. You know what I mean? And everybody I say, yo, Janu, that sad moment. Different speculations are found out on what took place, how it took place. You know what I mean? Still unconfirmed stories, viewers and subscribers. One thing for sure though, Vybz Kartel was definitely an artist where Pop Smoke did I look forward to one day having the blessings of working with, because he is a fan of dancehall music, viewers and subscribers. And as I said, the link did already make and set for a song drop with Jada Kingdom. You know what I mean? I don't know if that will still be released. I don't know if it actually get for recording verse. Because if his verse was recorded, they don't know all them have to do a record Jada verse and then put it together and the song can put out. But I don't know about that right now. Definitely an artist where was on the rise, viewers and subscribers. Sad situation. Bad mind is active. You have to know what you do. You have to know what you are doing, viewers and subscribers. The teacher always point it out. Him say no matter, because they say we have a huge fan base and we have a whole heap of well-wishers and loved ones. That no means you know have people out there when they have the best hopes for we at mind. And sometimes these people might even be in a circle, because they are unconfirmed reports saying maybe people in a circle that have a vibe for doing this. Maybe people fall out from among the ones in the circle and say, yo, nothing like that. Are just speculations, and normally these speculations are made. But one thing we can say, we definitely lose somebody in our world music. You know what I mean? And for dancehall fans, we know the artist, but might have not known that his mother was Jamaican and his father is from Panama. You know what I mean? Never know so the Caribbean influence that strong in our Pop Smoke life. We know the Jamaican and the Caribbean influence is of course very strong in New York. Big up the whole 50s, 40s, right up to the whole 90s. Big up Flatbush Avenue. You know the places. You know what I mean? Big up the whole New York. You know what I mean? All boroughs in the whole New York City. Pop Smoke, R.I.P. fam. Definitely an artist. So I listen to the whole Meet the Woo mixtape. And I think Welcome to the Woo was the name of the album. I listen to all of them viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? I listen to all of the tracks them. Definitely have a certain style of music. I see why London fans they really gravitate to the artists that much. Because the drill style, the drill music, it definitely reminiscent of a Stormzy or even a Gigs type of rap. You know what I mean? So that's why all shows in the UK area, I think they were sold out upon the time of this. You know what I mean? Passing. So definitely a sad moment, viewers and subscribers. If you know the artist, talk to me in the comment section. Let me know if you listen to them song them. Which song was your favorite song? If you were not aware, same was even, you know what I mean, of Jamaican descent. Talk to me about that in the comment section. As I said, very sad moment to see his passing at the age of 20. Young youth. When I hear music, I'm see him interview and the way him conduct himself. I wouldn't believe him at 20. You know what I mean? Have a certain intellect. Look like him. You know what I mean? Years ahead of time. So that's a sad situation to see him pass. You know what I mean? And for no say, he was a fan of Vybz Kartel. And him drop out before him get the opportunity to work with the artists. Because no doubt, if I one thing we know about Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers, whether you're an aspiring artist or you have a name for yourself or you're a superstar. You know what I mean? As long as the vibe is right, the respect is mutual. Of course, Vybz Kartel will work with an artist such as Pop Smoke. You know what I mean? The fact that him even have Caribbean descent and of Jamaican descent at that. You know what I mean? Being a fan of the dancehall superstar. I look forward to see a track drop. And it's sad to see these things were not brought to the light until after him pass. You know what I mean? Because I know say if Jamaica didn't know say he must have Jamaican descent, we'd have supporting and celebrate the artist even more. The same thing with XXX Tentacion. And when him drop out, most people know say he was of Jamaican descent. We didn't know that before, but most people will start gravitating to music after him passing. Them realize say he must have Jamaican descent, and them start seeing music for a different creativity. Them start seeing in a different light, if you will. And you know what I mean? The reaction was that much different. And the same thing I assume for Pop Smoke. Right now, since people realize him a Jamaican and him of Jamaican descent and him rate the teacher, more people are going to pay more attention to the music them when put out. Sad to see him not there to know that. You know what I mean? So talk to me in the comment section. The comment section is always open, viewers and subscribers. Be respectful and mindful of the guidelines, however. And of course, we see Popcorn found out and I send film condolences also. You know what I mean? I will see him and Cranium even the whole conversation about the situation. Cranium I tell him say, yo, is a person who know, respect and love the culture, because remember Cranium is based in New York City also. So him probably have encountered her, you know what I mean, seeing the artist, as well them say, friends, people who know Pop Smoke personally, say as long as it was a Jamaican event, he would have done it. So no doubt Pop Smoke has seen Spice perform, Cranium, all the dancehall artists who have graced stages in New York. Pop Smoke did it. You don't know in a Queens there's a Amazura, our place when a ramp drop some big events there. And no doubt at one point in time Pop Smoke was definitely in attendance. So it's sad to see him get to work with none of them dancehall stars where him would have seen and say, yo, as a rapper, him would have probably love to work with a dancehall artist. Being said dancehall music is a music that inspired him as well. You know what I mean? Sad situation, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? As I say, artists and me we check for too. So even right now, while we are all reasoning, we just a pray and I say, yo, look at all the things that could have been. You know what I mean? But I saw the something go. You know what I mean? Or it play out, and there's no change in that. So at this point in time, my condolences to the parents of Pop Smoke, loved ones, well-wishers, friends, you know what I mean, all other family members, the people who did it the day one and the one who support the artist and did it, and sad for see him gone. You know what I mean? Sad for see him drop flesh. You know what I mean? Big up everyone, you know the something go. Yeah. But it's the one called Jaden Chase, viewers and subscribers, and we are all the reason because we feel like it was important to hold this reason. You know what I mean? The facts of the artists of Jamaican descent respected our artists, the king of the dancehall genre, with Afi, all the reason of viewers and subscribers. And of course, Vybz Kartel was one of those artists that sending his condolences as well. Yes, you know what I mean? He say R.I.P. You know what I mean? They never get the chance to work together, but that's how it go. You know what I mean? And it can still happen because that unreleased verse can still be put to the unreleased verse from Vybz Kartel and the world can get another, you know what I mean? A track where give them that nostalgic vibe. You know what I mean? And remind them of who Pop Smoke was and what he brought to the table, even for a short moment in time. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all, so that you can be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. From a like, we age up a like on the vlog viewers and subscribers. You know the something got the like icon, the share icon is also there as well. So you can tell a friend, but tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning. Yes, viewers and subscribers, the comment section is always open 24/7. It never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. You know the something go up, move settings, spam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love, and prosper until reason again.